Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ways to Learn English. My name is Alex, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi everyone, my name is Lena and I'm learning English with you.
This podcast is made for people who want to improve their English by listening to calm, natural conversations. No pressure, no stress, just real English you can enjoy.
And remember, you don't need to understand everything. Just relax and listen. Your brain is learning while you listen.
That's right. Today's topic is very important in daily life. We're going to talk about feelings and emotions in simple English.
This is good for me. Sometimes I feel many things, but I don't know how to say them in English. I only know happy and sad, but there are more feelings than that.
Exactly. English has many simple and natural ways to talk about how you feel. Today, we'll practice easy words and phrases you can use in real life. First, just listen and relax. No need to repeat yet. Just listen. Hey Lena, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling okay. A little tired, but also calm.
That makes sense. Did you have a long day?
Yes, a little. I had a lot of small things to do and my mind feels busy.
I know that feeling. Sometimes when we have many small tasks, it can feel heavy.
Yes, but now I feel better. Talking like this helps me relax.
I'm glad to hear that. What usually helps you relax when you feel tired or stressed?
I like to sit quietly and listen to calm music. Sometimes I also take a short walk.
That sounds nice. Do you often feel stressed?
Not every day, but sometimes, yes. Especially when I worry about the future or my goals, but I know God will help me get through this.
That's very wonderful to hear. And it's totally normal to feel worried sometimes, but the most important thing is to trust, and then everything will calm down.
How about you? How are you feeling today?
Today, I feel pretty good. I feel relaxed and thankful to be here talking with you and our listeners.
That's a good feeling. I like the word thankful. It sounds warm.
It is a warm word. It means you feel happy and grateful for something. Now let's talk about some useful words and phrases from our conversation.
When I was listening, I noticed the word calm. It sounded very peaceful. What does calm really mean in daily English?
Great question. Calm means you feel peaceful inside, not angry, not stressed, just relaxed and quiet in your mind.
So if I feel okay and not worried, I can say, I feel calm?
Exactly. You can also say, I feel calm today, or this place makes me feel calm.
I also heard you say stressed. I feel this a lot, but I'm not always sure when to use this word.
That's very real. Stressed means you feel pressure, your mind feels busy, your body may feel tight. For example, I feel stressed at work. I feel stressed when I have too many things to do.
Oh, that's exactly how I feel sometimes. Busy mind, tight body.
Yes, that's stress.
You also said you feel thankful. I feel this word is emotional, but I'm not sure when to use it naturally.
Thankful means you feel grateful for something good in your life. For example, I feel thankful for my family. I'm thankful for this quiet moment.
I like that. It feels deeper than just saying thank you.
Exactly. Thank you is what you say to someone. Thankful is how you feel inside. Now let's practice some simple feeling phrases. Say them out loud if you can.
I'm ready.
I feel calm today.
I feel calm today.
I feel stressed sometimes.
I feel stressed sometimes.
I feel thankful today.
I feel thankful today.
Great job! These are simple, natural sentences you can use every day. Here are some more easy-feeling words you can use. Happy, sad, relaxed, nervous, excited, worried, comfortable, uncomfortable.
I like comfortable and uncomfortable. They sound useful for daily life.
They are very useful. For example, I feel comfortable talking to you. Or, I feel uncomfortable in loud places.
Oh, that's nice. I often feel uncomfortable in very noisy places.
That's a great sentence already. Now let's talk about a common mistake people make when talking about feelings in English.
Oh, I'm curious. I feel like I make mistakes with feelings a lot.
You're not alone. Here's a very common one. People often say, I am stressed, I am relaxed. But the natural way is, I am stressed, I am relaxed.
I think I've said I am stress before. It feels logical in my head.
Totally understandable. In English, we use stressed, relaxed, tired, excited as feelings, not the base word.
So the feeling is usually the word with "d" at the end.
Yes, very often. For example, I am excited, I am tired, I am worried.
That helps a lot. Now I understand why my sentences sometimes sounded strange.
You're doing great. Noticing these small things is how your English gets better. Let's listen to a few short, simple emotional moments. Just listen first. How are you feeling?
I feel a little nervous today.
That's okay. New things can make us nervous. How was your day?
It was long, but I feel relaxed now.
I'm glad you can rest. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just a little worried about tomorrow.
That's normal. You're not alone. Now, repeat some full feelings in context.
Okay.
I feel nervous about tomorrow.
I feel nervous about tomorrow.
I feel relaxed at home.
I feel relaxed at home.
I feel worried sometimes.
I feel worried sometimes.
I feel thankful for today.
I feel thankful for today.
Beautiful. These are real-life sentences. Now let's take a small, quiet moment. You don't need to speak. Just think. Ask yourself in your mind, how do I feel right now? Maybe you feel calm. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel okay. All feelings are welcome.
This part feels very peaceful. It makes learning feel gentle.
That's the goal. Learning works better when you feel safe and calm. Let's do a slow role play. Imagine two friends talking. Hey, how are you feeling today?
I feel a little tired, but okay.
Do you want to rest for a bit?
Yes, I think that would help.
Take your time. You deserve to rest.
Thank you. That makes me feel better. When I listen to these conversations, I notice how gentle your English sounds. It feels soft, not aggressive. Is that normal in daily English?
Great observation. Yes, in daily life, people often speak gently when talking about feelings. We use soft words because feelings are personal.
That makes me feel safer when I speak English. I don't feel like I have to be perfect.
You never have to be perfect. You just have to be human. Here's a small challenge for you before the next part. Today or tomorrow, try to say one feeling sentence out loud. For example, I feel calm right now. I feel tired today. I feel thankful.
Even one sentence is enough. Your voice matters.
We'll continue with more practice, deeper examples, and a longer role play, so make sure to take a short break in this episode before moving on. Now, let's listen to a deeper conversation. Just listen. No repeating yet. Lena, can I ask you something personal?
Sure, I'll try to answer honestly.
What do you usually feel when you make a mistake in English?
At first, I feel embarrassed. Sometimes I feel a little ashamed, like I should be better already.
Thank you for sharing that. A lot of people feel that way.
Really? Sometimes I feel like I'm the only one who feels this nervous.
You're definitely not alone. Even people who speak English very well still feel nervous sometimes.
That makes me feel less heavy inside. I didn't know that.
When you feel embarrassed, what helps you feel better?
When the other person is patient with me, when they listen and don't rush me, that helps me feel safe.
That's important. Feeling safe helps us learn faster.
Yes, when I feel safe, I'm more brave. I try again.
That's a beautiful way to say it. When I feel safe, I'm more brave.
When I was listening to this conversation, I noticed the word embarrassed. It sounded strong. What does it really mean in daily English?
Great question. Embarrassed means you feel uncomfortable because of a mistake or a situation. Your face might feel warm. You might want to hide a little.
Yes, that's exactly how I feel when I say something wrong. So I can say, I feel embarrassed when I make mistakes.
That's perfect. Very natural.
I also noticed you said feel safe. This sounds emotional, not just physical safety.
Exactly. Feel safe can mean emotional safety. You feel accepted. You feel like you won't be judged.
I like that phrase. I want to feel safe when I speak English.
And you deserve that feeling. Let's listen to a few short, deeper emotional moments. Just listen. How are you really feeling today?
Honestly, I feel a little lonely today.
Thank you for telling me. Loneliness can feel heavy. Do you want to talk about it? What's been on your mind lately?
I've been thinking about my goals. Sometimes I feel excited. Sometimes I feel scared.
Both feelings can exist at the same time. Do you feel supported?
Yes, a little more now. Talking with God helps.
I'm glad you're not carrying it alone. Now, repeat some gentle, emotional sentences.
Okay.
I feel embarrassed sometimes.
I feel embarrassed sometimes.
I feel safe when people are patient with me.
I feel safe when people are patient with me.
I feel supported when someone listens to me.
I feel supported when someone listens to me.
That was great. These are real emotions. It's okay to say them. Now let's do a longer role play. Imagine two friends talking after a long day. Hey, you look a little quiet today. How are you feeling?
I'm okay, but also a little tired inside. Not just my body. My mind feels tired too.
That's a good way to say it. Mental tiredness is real.
Yes, I had many thoughts today. I worried about my English.
That sounds heavy. What worries you the most?
I worry that I'm too slow, that I should be better already.
I hear that. But learning is not a race. You're learning at your own pace.
I know that in my head, but my feelings don't always listen.
That's very honest. Feelings and logic don't always agree.
When you say that, I feel understood. It makes me feel lighter.
I'm glad. You don't have to be strong all the time.
Thank you. I feel calmer now.
You're doing well, even when it feels slow. Let's look at one more common mistake with feelings. People sometimes say, I am embarrassing. But the natural sentence is, I am embarrassed.
Oh, that's confusing. Embarrassing and embarrassed sound similar.
Yes, here's the simple idea. Embarrassed equals how you feel. Embarrassing equals how something is. For example, I am embarrassed. Quote, this mistake is embarrassing.
That makes sense now. One is my feeling, one is the situation.
Exactly. Here's a tiny daily habit you can try. Once a day, ask yourself, how do I feel right now? Then say one simple sentence. I feel calm. I feel tired. I feel okay. I feel worried.
Just one sentence is enough. You don't need to explain everything.
Right. Small steps build confidence. Let's end the practice with soft encouragement. Just listen. You are allowed to learn slowly.
You are allowed to make mistakes.
You are allowed to feel nervous.
And you are still learning, even when it feels quiet.
If you want, repeat these. I am allowed to learn slowly.
I am allowed to learn slowly.
I am allowed to make mistakes.
I am allowed to make mistakes.
I am still learning.
I am still learning.
Thank you for listening to episode 7 of Ways to Learn English.
We're really happy you're here learning with us.
So stay with us, keep listening, and keep practicing. See you in the next episode, and feel free to listen to our earlier episodes too.
And don't forget to subscribe.